Hi everyone, it's Professor Kokinos. Feeling a lot better, recovering from COVID. It's no fun, let me tell you, and I really missed having class with you guys. Um, what I want to do is combine the last two projects. So remember, the last two projects are an updated LinkedIn profile, which I'm going to give you a little bit more information on, and the video resume, or what I call the sizzle reel. And we're going to talk about that right now. So, a resume. You guys already have a killer resume that you did in class. And I think you need a regular resume in any kind of event, that you're going to be able to have a regular printed resume. But why a video resume? Well, a video resume is really much more personal. It's going to be something that will make you stand out. And it's just cool. It's unique. Employers can actually see you and get a sense of your communication skills and your presentation skills. So you want to do something that is very tight. I would say no longer than 2 minutes for something like this. You want to make it very unique. It's going to be about you. Stay away from generalizations like, I'm a great team player and, stuff like that. You want to be really unique and specific. Another thing I would do is make sure you do your own editing. This will allow you to customize it too. So if you do your own editing and you just save it, you could, for instance, put the company logo in so that, or even record a new intro for each one where you really customize it to the actual company you're sending it to, and that will really impress them. You want to appear on screen, at least in the beginning and the end, and probably somewhere in the middle too. And use your phone. I would look at some of the settings we talked about in optimizing your phone for video. Record in 4K. Have good lighting. We've talked about this too, right? You want to make sure you have, say, natural light in front of you, like a window in front of you, but definitely not behind you. If you can, use a external microphone, a webcam instead of your built-in camera on your laptop or your phone. Framing is really important. Remember, you don't want to have a lot of headroom and look small. You don't want to, have just a headshot. You want to have kind of a medium close-up. You want to have good eye contact. Make sure you know where the camera lens is and you're looking right into it and not somewhere else where you're kind of breaking eye contact. Look right at them. You want to also put the camera at eye level, right? You don't want to look up or look down on your audience. Gather a bunch of resources, photos of yourself, video clips of yourself at work, communicating, networking. Read the job description of your dream job. If you can get B-roll of you doing those things, like creating social media content or managing a social media account, that's the kind of video that you really want to get. So the next thing to do then would be to write a script. And just like I'm recording this video, I'm actually looking at a Word file while I'm doing this. So you can use that Word file right in front of you.
System UI server. Low battery.
As the script. And, this will
low battery.
allow you to have good eye contact through the video. So in the script, I'm going to give you a handout that outlines this, but you want to have 5 short sections. The first one is an introduction. Hi, I'm Mike Kokinos. Why am I qualified for this job? Say the company name. Maybe put the logo up at that point. Talk about your passion. Why are you the right person, the right fit for this job? The third section then is to have your accomplishments. You did a great web portfolio. One of the things that came up was this idea of narrating the web portfolio. So basically doing a screencast recording where you would walk through your web portfolio narrating your accomplishments and what people are looking at. And you could put that right into this video. The other thing I think is what I call social proof. So testimonials, quotes, recommendations, clips from LinkedIn, people who've endorsed you, something like that I think will be a very powerful addition to this, where you could have them on screen for a second with the text and their recommendation. And then a closing. And of course, the closing is going to have a call to action where people will be invited to contact you for further, networking or hopefully to hire you. So the production formula, I think this is a really good, simple production formula where you would set up your camera and record yourself reading the entire script. We'll call that the master take. Then what you're going to do is take that master take, edit it down, tighten it up a little bit, and throughout the take, try to cut away to B-roll and cutaway clips and videos. I would be on screen in the beginning. I would definitely be on screen in the end. But throughout the piece, you could be doing other things, right? It might just be some cool shots of you, walking on campus, driving, whatever else you do. Of course, related to the job description would be probably better. So I think that's pretty much it. And hopefully we'll have some time to work together to edit this in class. And next week when I see you guys, I'm going to put up the LinkedIn project, which is fairly simple. Hopefully you already have a LinkedIn page. But the idea would be now to put this video resume in one of the sections of your LinkedIn profile so that people could just click on it and boom, there you are talking to them about your accomplishments and your skills and what a great colleague, employee you would be. All right, hope you are doing well and look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thanks for all the well-wishing, and I am feeling a lot better today, so I really appreciate it, and see you next week.